guys, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. Today is Saturday. What's the date? I don't know what the date is. And I just thought of sort of filming over the weekend to take you all through what my weekends look like right now. I have my cousin coming over in the evening, so I thought, maybe I'll vlog a bit with her. We're thinking of creating a fun video for YouTube, so hopefully that'll be good. And apart from that, things I have to do today are I'm actually onboarding 4 new clients, so I have to create their plans, just sort of put that up so that it's ready to go and they can start by Monday. So that's going to take up like majority of my afternoon, I guess, and then in the evening, my cousin's coming over and then it's going to be a little bit more fun. So I'm going to quickly do some skincare and then get working on my client plans. My mom's making, that was the cooker. My mom's making dal makhani today with malai kofta, and she's making like kulcha from scratch and all. I'm gonna see if I can record some of that. Obviously I got a bit late, so she's made some of the prep is already ready, but I'll see how much I can sort of shoot and I'll put that into this vlog as well. I hope that this vlog is going to be nice and interesting. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button. That's a good correct. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so starting with skincare, I have this Innisfree set, which I showed you all I think in the last vlog as well. It's something I use every single day. So I go in with the toner first, then use the serum, and then finally the moisturizer. I also got this very cute lip balm from the Body Shop. It's lip butter apparently. Very, very nice. Okay, so we are basically experimenting here, making some dal makhani from scratch. And for the kulcha, we have some dough resting here. It's already increased in size a bit. We're just going to let it fluff up a little more. Okay, so we've boiled the onions for about 5 minutes and the cashew as well. And now we're going to turn this into a paste for the malai kofta. So here we have the finished product. So this is going to be our malai kofta ka sauce. This is how it looks. So basically you want to blend it until it's a relatively fine consistency. So now we're going to make the gravy. For this we've got about 2 tablespoons or maybe a little bit more than that for oil heating up. And isme we are going to be putting in 1 stick of cinnamon and a few more spices that we have lying around. So we've added cinnamon, we've added elaichi, we've got some jeera and black pepper. Now we're going to add in the paste. So we've been stirring this for about 2-3 minutes, and now we're going to be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dahi. And you want to make sure that the dahi is at room temperature and it's not too cold. And at this point, just sort of stir that together and cook it with the dahi for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're adding about 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste into this, and I've also got about 1 tablespoon of garam masala and about half the quantity of black pepper. So about half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. We're going to add this in shortly. Now we're just going to let this cook for a little bit, about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to continue the cooking process. So this is basically our kofta. So we've got about 2 alus and 200 grams of paneer just smashed together with anything else? Meat. Okay, salt, garam masala, chili powder, and we've just आणि हे कोट कशाने केलं?
मैदा आणि त्यात 2 चमचे मैदा घालून ते चांगलं मॅश करून त्याचे गोळे केले आणि ते डस्ट केले मैद्यामध्ये.
We've added some green chili paste into this, but you can add fresh green chilies as well. At this point, we're just adding 2 tablespoons of cream. So we've added 2 tablespoons of malai, and we're just going to mix this all together. Okay, so we've taken a short break from the whole cooking session because my mom has some work to do, and it's only like it's 12:30 and I'm not hungry yet. So we're gonna get cooking the koftas and making like the naan from scratch in a little bit. So in the meanwhile, I thought I'll just quickly work on my client plans, because obviously it's not gonna be done in an hour, but I do want to finish off whatever work I have for Meraki by like mid-afternoon, so that I can actually just relax tomorrow. Because sometimes what happens is when you're juggling two things, like I have like a role that I'm doing from Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, not 9 to 5, it goes on like it's usually 9 to 9 or 9 to 10. But and then over the weekends, if I completely focus on Meraki, which I absolutely love, I love doing this work, I love coaching, but what happens is it can really take a toll on you, because you're so drained by the end of it, because you never really get time for yourself. So that's what I'm going to focus on today. My goal is to finish off everything by 4 o'clock, so that I can just chill with my sister who's coming over, my cousin sister, but I'm going to refer to her as my sister from now on. She's my first cousin. I'm going to introduce her to the vlog. It's going to be really fun. So yeah, I'm just going to very quickly work on these plans, and then I'll see y'all in the kitchen. I'll quickly show you like a little teeny bit of physique update. So this is what my core looks like right now. Obviously I'm flexing like no other, but I think it's great progress. Like sometimes when I look back at like where I was at this time last year, it's absolutely amazing what little effort every single day can amount to in a year. So I was just talking to Tarun the other day, and he told me about this quote that he had read somewhere, which said if you calculate 1.0 raised to 365, it's going to be 1.0. But if you take 1.01 and put that to the power of 365, it actually amounts to over 37 point something, if I'm not wrong. But the whole point of this is that if you are putting in no effort, if you are literally doing the same things over and over again for a year, you're still going to be the same at the end of the year. But if you just put in that 1% extra effort, it really accumulates to making a really huge change 1 year later. Wise motivational words, but if you really want something, take action today, and trust me, 1 year from now, you'll reach places. So I just got a message that one of my orders from Amazon has been delivered. So we're gonna take a quick break from coaching and just gonna go and get that. Oh, by the way, this is my mask. Cute, no? Secured the goods. Alright, so this is the massive package that I've got from Amazon. I'm gonna very quickly unbox it. Okay, so I got a box of acrylic paint. I have an idea in mind. That is something that I want to sort of try out, and that will be in another video, maybe coming out next week or something. So I also have a few other things ordered so that I can make that video. So that is why I've got about 16 colors in here. I got a kitchen scale. So this one is from Chef Mate. So we're done with client plans, and now I'm gonna go and make some raita. So I am on the raita duty. So I've just grated up about 2 carrots, and now we're going to get to frying the kofta and also making the naan. We're heating some oil in a chotu kadhai. This will be used for frying the koftas. In the meanwhile, I'm going to get to making my gajar ka raita. So for the raita, I didn't really measure out anything at all. Just, got a bit of dahi, whisked that all together until it was a little bit smooth, and made sure that there's no lumps in there. And then I just went ahead and added in some garam masala. Again, this was just a flick of the wrist, did not measure this out. Then I also added some coriander powder and some black salt. And after this was all combined, I just sort of added in the grated carrot, and that was it. So you could also add a tadka to this to make it, I guess, a little bit better, but I just didn't have the patience to do that. And this actually tasted super refreshing. So I think I'm going to be making this a lot more often with the rest of my meals. These are our koftas. Update: our kulcha dough has quadrupled in size. It was literally very tiny when it started off. So we are going to get ready to sort of roll out the naan slash kulcha and cook it. So we've got some black sesame seeds to sort of just clam it up a little bit more. So we're going to be adding that to our naan. So now we've heated this tawa, so we're going to be making the naan on that. Added some black sesame seeds, so this is going to be good. So this is our malai kofta. So what we did was we didn't directly add the kofta into the gravy while it was cooking, just to retain the crispiness of the kofta. So only when you're actually going to serve it, great tip would be to pour the gravy on that time. Apart from that, I've got my gajar raita over here. We've got dal makhani, which looks absolutely amazing. You can add tadka to this if you want, but we didn't. And this beauty is my butter naan. That's it. That's our lunch, guys. Okay, guys. This is my sister, Mika. You want to say hi?
Hi.
So we are basically going to do the try not to laugh challenge with a bit of water. We're going to try not to waste any water at all. It's just for fun. So we're just going to get right into it. Okay, see you. Okay, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Blabla and you are watching Blabla.
Very nice. Woman has laughed a little too hard way too many times and she's drenched. And she also drenched my laptop, my charger. So doing is we've stepped back a bit and we're going to start from here. Is that equal? I don't think that's equal. Okay, so I've made my coffee, basically like my iced mocha, and Mika's gonna taste it and let me know how it is. Give it a rating out of 10.
9.765.
Oh, that's high. That's high. Coming
It's
from
refreshing.
someone who goes to Starbucks a lot. It's good, no? It's good.
Must.
And now we're going to be making Maggie, because that's the only thing this woman eats. So
लेने का वो प्लेट बढ़ाने का और खाने का बस मजा नहीं लाइफ.
So you were supposed to see us on a drive right now, but the weather had other plans. It was raining like madness, like there would be no point in going out at all. So instead we're just having a chill night in. We are watching Queen and
having dinner. That's about it.
Hi guys, so it's the next day. Mihika just left a couple of hours ago, and I had this sort of an alumni session with the SP Jain MGB Masters of Global Business batch that's going to start in October of this year. So they had a few questions for me, and I had 2 sessions of about an hour each, and I actually get a lot of questions on my course, like what I did in my masters, and I'm thinking of doing like an in-depth detailed video on it. You know, if some of you have been considering going out for masters, I think it'd be great to give you all some insights on what I did. So if you would like me to cover that, comment down below any questions you might have regarding the course, and I will include that in the video. So now I'm just going to quickly grab some lunch. It's about 2 o'clock right now. I'm gonna get some lunch. I might just go to the salon for like a haircut, because I haven't had a haircut in I think over 8 months. My hair looks like shit, but yeah, that's the plan for today. Just gonna do that. That's what my Sunday looks like. So this is my lunch. I've got my rice, I've got chicken curry and a lot of ghee. Some of it has melted so you can't see it, and a little bit of salt on the side. So I'm just gonna have this and watch something on Netflix. Alright guys, so my mom and I are going to do a quick run to the salon because she also has to get some stuff done. I haven't been to a salon in 6 months plus, 6 months minimum. This is the mask that I am using today, and yeah, let's go to the salon. Done with our parlor session, and now we're just heading out for a while to get some essentials. Made it back home. I got a haircut and then my hair got a little wet in the rain, so that's why it looks a little messed up right now. But while I was at the salon, my mom was getting her hair colored, and I've been considering, because I've never ever like got my hair dyed at all, and I don't like highlights. Okay, so if I go for a color, it's going to be like a global, and I saw 3 colors that I liked, and I'm going to put them here in the next clip, and I need you guys to help me decide which of the 3 colors I should get. So out of these 3 shades over here, just comment down below 4.56, 5.62 or 6.62. I'm actually more confused between 5.62 and 6.62. So help me out here, guys. Alright guys, so this is going to conclude this vlog. I am very exhausted. I don't even know why. I guess we're just not used to going out anymore at all. I'm just feeling super tired, and I'm just gonna get to editing this vlog and have it up for y'all as soon as possible. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button so you'll never miss another video from me again. Alright, so until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!